I never before highway, cold wind in my hair, white smell of colitas, rising out through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. My head grew heavy in my sacred day. I had to stop for the night. The truth stood in the doorway. I heard the missing bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, and she showed me the way. There were buses down the corridor. I thought I heard them say, "Welcome to the Hotel California." Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Anytime I hear, you can find it here. Hermione Stefani twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. Fickle friends. How they dance in the courtyard. Sweet summer sweat. Some dance you remember. Some dance to forget. So I call up the captain. Please bring me my wine, he said. We haven't had the spirit here since 1969. And still there was the folk calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, "Welcome to the Hotel California." Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. They living it up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise, what a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Mirrors on the ceiling, the pink champagne and ice. And she say, we are just a prisoner here of our own device. And in the master chambers, they gather for the feast. They stab it with a still the knife, but the just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. Relax, said the night man, we are programmed to receive. You can second any time you like, but you can never leave.